Hey guys, do you want to know about top 7 online work from home jobs in 2022? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about top 7 online work from home jobs in 2022. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end, so you can find top 7 online work from home jobs in 2022. And also subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. Work from home jobs are on the rise. Have you wondered if working from home was for you? Working from home provides flexibility. Whether you want to start your own business or work for someone else in the comfort of your own home, the opportunities are out there. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, over 33% of households reported household members were working from home more often due to the COVID pandemic. In other countries, the story is much the same. According to the UK Office for National Statistics, over 45% of working adults did some work from home in 2020. In Australia, there are even more home-based workers, over 65%. According to the Australian Institute of Family Studies. No matter where you live, online jobs from home are on the rise. There are basically 2 types of work from home jobs. Those where you function as a consultant or a freelancer, and work from project to project. For these jobs, you are self-employed. Online jobs from home, where your employer allows you to perform your job from your home as a telecommuter. In this video, we include jobs that can be done as either a telecommuter or as one who is self-employed. So which careers are more likely to allow you to work from home? Let's take a look at the top 7 work from home jobs. Number 7. Graphic designer. If you're artistic or have a flair for design, there are lots of work opportunities for you. Graphic designers create anything from corporate logos to posters and advertisements. The average income for a graphic designer is about $50,227 per year. Many graphic designers have specialized training in design. Competition is fierce for this type of work, so if this is your field, make sure that you have a strong portfolio. Number 6. Translator or interpreter. As businesses become more global, the need for communicating with clients in more than one language is increasing. For those who are fluent in many languages, global business has led to expanding opportunity. Interpreters and translators accurately change documents and other information from one language to another. The average pay for this type of work is about $44,238 per year. Most translators are educated, with at least a bachelor's degree. Language fluency is the most important factor in getting this type of work. If you're bilingual, then translation could be a great opportunity. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Are you looking for online work from home jobs? Consider being a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants perform administrative tasks that include research, answering email, phone calls. They also handle many other routine tasks. Companies or individuals hire virtual assistants to handle time-consuming routine tasks so that they can spend more time on income-producing tasks. There are no educational requirements for a virtual assistant. Some specialized virtual assistants may have training in a specific area. That's why, for a virtual assistant, experience and reputation are important. The amount a virtual assistant earns varies based on their skills. Virtual assistants earn about $37,023 annually. Keep in mind that if they work for an agency, the actual amount a virtual assistant receives may be less. Number 4. Online teacher or tutor. Many schools and other organizations hire professional teachers for online courses. Opportunities are available at every level, from elementary school tutors all the way up to online college courses. There are also many organizations that offer an online teacher the opportunity to create courses to teach a particular skill. Online schools and courses are increasingly popular. They provide non-traditional students with the opportunity to get an education from the comfort of their own home. They often have flexible class hours, so that a student can work a full or part-time job and still attend classes. As might be expected, the pay for this type of work varies widely depending on how many courses are taught and what level. Tutors are often paid a lower hourly rate. A full-time teacher, especially for an online public school, may expect to earn close to what his or her peers would earn in a traditional setting. On average, an online teacher earns $47,446 a year. Public school teachers and college professors, in particular, are expected to have a teaching degree or a degree in the field that they teach. Number 3. Software developers. Software developers create anything from computer programs to run on your desktop to apps for your mobile devices. The popularity of the web and growth in the use of mobile devices means there are a lot of opportunities for software developers. Software development is a fast-growing field with higher than average pay. The average pay for a software developer is about $97,763 per year. Most software developers have college degrees, but this field changes rapidly, so ongoing education is important. Keep your skills sharp and up to date. Number 2. Writer or editor. With the growth of the web, the need for writers has also grown. Writers still write for traditional publications, such as newspapers and magazines. But now writers also create content for blogs and websites. Many also work as editors, correcting and checking the work of other writers. Technical writers are responsible for technical manuals and guides, as well as online help systems. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects average job growth for most writing positions. Demand is expected to grow more quickly for those in the technical writing field. The average yearly pay for a writer is about $56,986. Editors' average yearly pay is about $59,531. Technical writers earn more, with an average yearly pay of about $68,555. Writers frequently have a college degree, often in a field related to writing, such as journalism. Technical writers may have added training. Number 1. Web designer or web developer. Web designers creates and maintains websites. A web developer handles the coding and back end of the website. They must be familiar with how to optimize a site and deal with any problems that may occur. For both of these positions, demand is expected to grow faster than average over the next few years. Web developer pay varies with experience and skill level, but the average yearly pay for a web developer is about $70,863 according to Glassdoor. Web developers often have an associate's degree. It's important for web designers and web developers to continue learning since these fields change often. Make sure you stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.